I was commissioned by Sergio to recreate his Porsche 911 Carrera S as a custom Hot Wheels. With the responsibility of recreating this car, I have pushed myself to learn new techniques, master new technologies, and implement them in this build. This is the story of how this Hot Wheels came to be. Let's begin. This Hot Wheels Porsche GT3 will serve as our canvas, our foundation to build upon, but before we do that, we have to take it down to its bare bones. Small aluminum terminal connectors allow me to replicate the quad tip exhaust that's on Sergio's build. Since this casting is the GT3 991 generation Carrera, I had to make some pretty serious modifications to the rear bumper, as well as a couple little ones here and there around the rest of the car. I use a two-part epoxy to attach these side mirrors. it's important to use 2-part epoxy here to make a really solid bond, since this will be traveling out of country to our friend Sergio. Everything we build solid so it arrives in one piece. I was able to 3D print the exact 991 generation Carrera seats. Details like this just add that extra layer of realism when you look through the window. Galeri was kind enough to send me their Kaleido series paints, and this is the acrylic primer from that series. I was really blown away by how easily it thins down and the coverage that I got. And even just the first pass, doing light mist coats really had a lot of coverage with really consistent layer of paint. I would recommend this to just about anybody. I'm really happy with it, and I plan to use these a lot more in the future. The airbrush I'm using is the Mobius TG from Galeri, and I find it really good for this type of application. A lot of airbrushes have a smaller nozzle diameter for really precision work, but in diecast customizing, having a wider 0.5mm nozzle creates a much more even and wide spray pattern for covering full cars at a single time. If you want to save 10% off on Galeri products, use code 164Luke at checkout. Check the link out in the description. Using the images that I was sent, I was able to replicate the decals in a free software called Inkscape, and it's really awesome. I have no affiliation with them, but it's a free software that I recommend anybody try out if they want to get into decals. I printed these decals on a white toner printer. The significance of that is on a dark paint job like this black paint, the white toner can print a white layer underneath the colored layer, which will allow it to show through on a dark surface such as this car. I sealed the decals and the paint with this semi-gloss varnish from Kaleido. Since the paint was finished in that semi-gloss varnish, it's important to use this ultra gloss clear coat for the headlights and taillights. Since they won't have a matte finish, they'll still have that glossy clear plastic finish. Now let's get into the wheels. This was probably the most challenging part of this project for me. I had to use an image of Sergio's Lightspeed Racing wheels, and then I traced that out in Fusion 360, traced out every single detail, and then extruded and 3D formed the entire shape of the wheel from scratch, basically, with just a 2D image to go off of. Now that that design is complete, we can send it over to the 3D printer and bring it to reality. For the finish on the wheels, I used Kaleido Colorworks Cosmic Black. I really like how these Kaleido paints have a stir ball or mixing ball inside the paints from factory. It really helps to mix up the paint quickly and efficiently. With the wheels complete, it's time to get started on the brakes, which was another big challenge for this build. I 3D printed the rotors and calipers on my 3D printer. I primed them black and then painted the calipers in that gold finish that's on Sergio's build. I used my Carrera Air from Makera to CNC out brake rotors for this custom build, and the true metallic effect of these really came through and added a great deal of realism. This is the final piece of the build. Now I just put it all together and it's time for the reveal. I want to remind us of where we started with this GT3 Hot Wheels casting and these images of Sergio's car.
It's time to reveal the build.
I want to thank Sergio for commissioning this build. I hope you love it as much as I do. I want to thank everybody else who's also commissioned a build. Currently, I have a bunch on the desk that I need to get to. The bench is full of work, which is great. That being said, if you have a build that you want commissioned, shoot me an email. The link is in the description. Let me know what you have. Let me know what you want to make, and we'll make it happen.